So since I discovered rally racing over the last couple of weeks, there's a few things that I've learned from you guys. Number one, it doesn't really cost anything to go watch these races. Number two, this sport is way more popular than I ever thought. And number three, nobody ever did it like Group B did. So I saw comment after comment that told me I had to check out Group B. And luckily one of you guys gave me the perfect video to check out. It is titled Best of Group B and Legend Rally Cars. Pure sound. So I got my trusty AirPods, gonna crank them all the way up so I can get the full experience of the eargasm that's about to bless my ears. And we're gonna rock out to some Group B. If it's your first time here, my name is Jacob, just an average American who is fascinated with Europe, your guys' culture, sports, all of it. So without further ado, hit that like button and let's dive in. This video looks a little new. Definitely not new. That car, wow. Dude, these cars look badass. They don't really look anything like the rally cars nowadays. The fire coming out of the exhaust. Jeez, man. Holy shit. What is that? Volkswagen? No. They definitely aren't hitting the turns like they do nowadays, but the engines sound way more beefy. What? Sick. That sounds so cool. You guys let me know, what is that like whistling sound? That's not the turbo, is it? I mean, it could be. I like cars. I'm the kind of guy that likes cars. Like, I want to have nice cars and I like looking at them and I like driving them, but I don't know a ton about engines other than basic stuff. I guess not basic. I know a little bit, but jeez. These cars, man. Oh my God. I could see why you guys said that this is more dangerous because these definitely don't have as much control as the new ones. The new ones, obviously, over the years, you know, our technology has gotten better, but the raw horsepower seems like it's still there. It's just the traction, the drifting, the suspension isn't as advanced as it is nowadays, which I can imagine is what led to a lot more accidents. You guys said that Group B had a lot more accidents than nowadays. At night. When are some of these videos from? Like the 80s, 90s? This looks new. I want one. Okay, okay. Get out of there. Yeah. Yes. Look at that one. So sick. Oh, oh. Just the style of these cars is insane. Honestly, I miss it. I miss cars looking like this. Don't get me wrong, the new ones are great, but... So, from what you guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but Group B was, I mean, is it still active today? I have no idea. I just remember there was quite a few comments that were saying, you got to go back and check out Group B from the 90s. They were crazy. It was the first thing that anyone ever seen like that. But some of these footage looks like it's from fairly recent, like the actual camera quality looks pretty good. So I don't know if they bring these back out when they have a normal competition going on. Let me know. Explain it to me. Ooh. There you go. He's like, who needs to drift around a corner? I can get it around there just as quick. Oh shit, I thought he was going. This is wild. Yes. It's so little. Look at that one. Yo, what? Look at all the people there. Holy cow. Oh yeah, I want to see some dirt. Here we go. Woo! Ooh. I don't think I've ever seen night driving. I think I've done 2 rally videos so far. Both were amazing. Check them out if you haven't already. They're on the playlist under sports. I don't think I saw any night driving in those 2 that were a little more recent, but yeah. Oh, damn. What is that? I think I've seen one already. Oh, yeah! Hell yeah. I want to drive one of these so bad. Ooh, that one sounds nice. I love that car. Ooh. God, it must be so loud in there. Yeah. I'm liking the inside of the car view. This is nice. Woo! Hit it, you got it. Yeah. Oh. This is dope. Oh, I got two of them right next to each other. Yeah. Yep. You got it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So cool. I'm gonna start clapping. These cars got to be so much heavier than the ones nowadays. You see, I feel like if it was a rally car from today, that thing would have like launched off of that. Dude, night driving is wild. Oh! Oh! Volta? Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. Seen a lot of these. I've seen like at least 6 different ones of these cars. What is that? What is that car? That's my favorite right there. I like that thing. He's got it. He's got it. There you go. Takes just a little bit more to get that back end to spin around. All right, that was sick. Cool, cool, cool. All right, guys, let me know. What's the next rally video? I mean, there's already a couple right here. They got recommended. Should probably check out one of these. But if you got one that is like, I don't want to see accidents, though. I feel like that's kind of to like watch people crash or get hurt. So unless they're okay. And it was like something that, you know, I don't know. If no one got hurt really bad or no one died, I'll check it out. But other than that, appreciate you guys stopping in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.